Sure, we all like barbecuing. Bring the family together, enjoy perfectly grilled food, share a laugh and stories. If you want to enjoy barbecuing to the fullest, you really should consider inviting BBQ Curd. Curd and his team have more than 60,000 hours of barbecue experience. Curd's passion for fire, barbecuing and home cooking turn every barbecue moment into a picture-perfect and, if you wish, a very entertaining moment. Curd is a true barbecue wizard of international repute who will happily supervise or guide you through any barbecue session, be it small or big.